Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy first day of virtual learning for all the students and all the teachers and all the teachers that are students right now, because we're entering an entirely new realm. But you know what? We're going to figure it out and it's going to be great and we'll get through it together. So I just wanted to say hello. Today is National Doctors Day. I want to thank all the doctors out there, all the people in the medical community, medical field, everyone. Just everyone doing their part to help out. I'm wishing my little brother lots and lots of luck today because he's a doctor. So happy Doctor's Day to him and all the other doctors out there. It's also National Pencil Day. So I don't have my pencil with me, but it's National Take a Walk Day. So get outside at some point today, take a walk. And it's also National Virtual Vacation Day. You should take a virtual vacation. Imagine you're at the beach somewhere. That's where I really wish I could be. So those are just some fun little facts to help you with the day. So I'm just going to get started with a quick little circle time routine that I do with my students, read you a little book, and then I'll be posting some follow-up videos to expand on today's lesson. So first, before I tell you the theme, let's do a little bit of calendar. Where I live, looking out my window, it is sunny and we're still in the season of spring. It's about 10 o'clock and today's date is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Happy Monday. So I chose space as my theme for today. It is one of my favorite topics, and I had a couple of people request this theme, so I'll be working on it today, and it might kind of lead into tomorrow as well, just because there's so much that you can talk about with space, so many fun activities you can do. So I figured I would start by reading the book Space, S-P-A-C-E. How many letters are in the word space? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in the word space. This is for kids who really love space. It was written by Sarah Powell, designed by Nicole Friggens and Katherine Radcliffe. Ooh, look at that space shuttle and the astronaut zooming with the satellite. And I'm not going to read every single word because it can get a little bit long, but this is a picture of the universe. It's mind-bogglingly big. It is everything that exists, every speck of dust, rock, planet, solar system, and galaxy. It is difficult to imagine just how big the universe is. That's because we think it's infinite or never-ending, containing an unimaginable number of stars. Wow, that looks beautiful. Now, the solar system that we live in is located in the universe, the Milky Way. That is our solar system, where all of our planets and our sun are located. Our sun is at the center of the solar system, right? And this is called a spiral galaxy, because of its shape. It goes in a spiral pattern. This is a picture of what our solar system looks like. It's made up of many different planets and stars and moons and dwarf planets. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Smaller than some moons in the solar system, Mercury is the planet closest to the sun, and it was given all of these craters when huge asteroids crashed into its surface. Kind of looks like our moon a little bit, right? The second planet is Venus. It was once thought that Venus was similar to Earth and that life might even exist there, but we were very wrong. It is the most unfriendly planet in the solar system. It's really, really hot. Its air is made up of carbon dioxide. That's what we breathe out. When we breathe in, it's oxygen. When we breathe out, it's carbon dioxide, right? That's all of kind of like our dirty air that the trees clean, and we're not supposed to breathe in carbon dioxide. So Venus is not really a planet that we can live on. All right. So the third planet from the sun is a familiar one. It's Earth. It's the planet that we live on, right? It's the only known planet in our solar system with life. We call Earth the blue planet because of the oceans that cover most of the surface. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, giving us day and night, and 365 days to orbit the sun, giving us changes in seasons, right? We have an Earth, we have the moon, and this is a model of our Earth. It's called a globe. And right, the Earth rotates like this. That's what gives us day and night, because imagine my hand is the sun, and the sun is shining the light here. But when it rotates, so this is India. We don't live in India, but if we did, right now India is getting a lot of sun. It's probably about noon. But then as it rotates, the sun sets from India and it starts to turn dark, because look, this is India. It's turned away from me. It's all the way back here. Now it's on the other side, away from the sun, and that's when it's dark. This is when it's dark on this side, and this is when it's light on this side. But then the Earth will continue to rotate like this, and look, there's India again. And what time of day is it? It's daytime, because this is the sun and it's shining on it. So that's called rotation, right? But then when they said it revolves around the sun, it kind of goes like this. Ooh, this is the sun. It's revolving, and that's what gives us our seasons. Winter, spring, summer, fall. So that's just my quick little tutorial on that. I need to change the angle of my camera. I'm sorry. Alrighty. So that's the Earth. The third planet. Now the fourth planet is Mars. Mars is known as the red planet. It is the planet that is most like Earth, although as it is further from the sun, it is very cold. Scientists have discovered ice beneath its surface. This may mean that life once existed there. One day we hope humans will set foot on it. And we've already sent like land rovers to Mars from Earth. So they're little machines that have landed on Mars that are giving us information and pictures and who knows, maybe, soil samples. The next planet. Okay, so that was the last of the smaller planets. Mars was the last of it. So after Mars is something called the asteroid belt, which are lots and lots of rocks. It's like a belt that you put on your pants. But this is an asteroid belt, so it separates those smaller planets from the big gas giants. And the first gas giant after Mars is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is so big that it is 2.5 times the size of all the other planets combined. Wow. It is made mainly from gas and is known as one of the 4 gas giants, along with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And then it also has a giant red spot, which is a huge storm 3 times the size of Earth. So it's like a constant hurricane on Jupiter that never goes away. The next planet is Saturn. Look how beautiful that picture is. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has 9 beautiful rings that can be seen with a telescope. Telescope are those long things you can use to look out at the sky with. You could make a telescope out of your paper towel rolls, at least a pretend telescope, right? It has 9 beautiful rings that can be seen with a telescope. I already said that, but I just wanted to reinforce. Its rings are made up of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn spins very fast on its axis. A day on Saturn lasts only 10 hours. Wow, that's a quick day. the next planet, Uranus. Uranus is so far away that if you were traveling there from the sun and you made it to Saturn, you'd only be halfway there. It is a very cold place with temperatures reaching as low as negative 371 degrees. That is chilly. Chilly, chilly, chilly. It's the only planet that rotates on its side. So like this direction, we go this way and it's on its side. See? The bright blue color comes from methane gas. Interesting facts. And the planet furthest from the sun is Neptune. It is a cold, icy giant. It's very bright blue due to methane gas, just like Uranus, with a water layer that leads down to a solid core the size of Earth. It takes 165 years to orbit the sun. Wow. Meaning that its winter lasts for 40 years. Wow, that's a very long time. And then the book has some other fun facts. Some stars, constellations, right? This is a picture of our sun and what it looks like. Our sun is a star. It's in the middle of our solar system. It gives us heat and light for life on Earth. And the Earth has a moon, right? The moon is a dry, dusty place with no air. It's covered in craters, and the moon is the only place in space where humans have landed. So there have been astronauts that have landed on the moon. I used to want to be an astronaut when I was a little girl. But then I decided to become a teacher, which I'm so thankful that I did. And that's a little bit about space. So I'm going to be posting some more videos just to help reinforce the lesson. I'll be doing some fun math activities, some journaling, and I'll also be posting some links to some super fun videos that I think everyone will enjoy to help learn more and more about space. But I hope you have a wonderful start to your Monday, a wonderful start to your week, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.